Hi everyone. Something's come to my attention recently that really has kind of taken me back in time a bit with working in the food industry, and that is basically the aggression that sometimes happens in commercial kitchens. It's quite fascinating, and I actually honestly thought that it was very old-fashioned now, and it didn't really happen very much. I'm just interested to see your comments and your thoughts about this. And I looked at the old RAMSEYS Boiling Point documentary that was televised in England many years ago, and I put a link in this video in the description where you can access it and watch it because it's fascinating, and it really does remind me of what it used to be like when I was younger working in kitchens, because it's aggressive, it's hostile, it's tough, it's hard. But many people I've spoken to, whether it's clients, whether it's other chefs, whether it's friends who own restaurants, they all have said that it doesn't happen anymore. It's a dated way of managing a kitchen, and I honestly thought that was the case until recently. But I'm just interested to see people's opinions on whether they think that it still happens, whether it specifically happens just with Michelin star restaurants. Is it still right for this to happen? Could it be possible for people to get away with it still in certain countries because of legalities of employment and staff rights and stuff like this? I'm quite interested in this. But basically, I've put a link in the description of this video where you can access the RAMSEYS Boiling Point documentary video and watch it because it's fascinating. So enjoy, watch, and don't forget to click on the other links where you can access all of my courses, all of my community that you can access. Is all free and it's all for your benefit for learning and enjoyment. Thanks. Bye bye.